Hi everyone! With this video, we're going to see how to change the configuration of your G6 system by sending single instructions via Modulate Software. By way of example, we'll perform the inversion of the proportional channels on a transmitter. In order to have the same direction for all levers, since on G6 they can be freely arranged on the top section. After, we'll see another example on how to control an LED on a transmitter via CAN bus message. Okay, let's get started. Enable Bluetooth low energy connection on your laptop and run Modulate Software. Log in with your email and password or click on Sign Up Now to create a new user account. Turn on your device. Modulate will show the serial numbers of all reachable devices via Bluetooth. Here we see that the first two levers on the left have inverted channels direction compared to the last two levers due to different installation orientation. We can then modify the configuration by starting the connection. Select the serial number of your device from the list and click on Parameters menu. Send instructions by using the Commands field at the bottom of Modulate window. In this case, we read and then modify the TX parameter dir_SR. Pay attention, not the dir_SR parameter of the receiver that has the same name. Off command is suggested in the end to quit from Bluetooth connection. Now you can restart your device and test the new configuration. As you can see on the transmitter display and on the highlighted CAN bus message, now all channels have the same direction when levers are operated in the same way. Let's see the second example. In this case, we need to connect both transmitter and receiver via Modulate interface because the involved parameters to be modified are stored in both units. Here we see that the transmitter LEDs are controlled by the yellow switch, but we want to control the yellow one via CAN bus. We can proceed in this way. Select the receiver serial number from the list and in Parameters menu and send the instruction as seen before. We start by checking the index of the first CAN bus digital input from RPDO2 message and activating the needed bits. Here we enable just the first one. Disconnect from the receiver and then start connection with the transmitter. Same sequence as before. We check first the current assignment of the hardware resource that we want to control, in this case, a panel LED. And then change parameter value with corresponding digital feedback index from receiver. Send an off command in the end to quit from Bluetooth connection. Restart your device and test the new configuration. As you can see, the yellow LED is now controlled by the highlighted CAN bus RPDO2 message with CAN_ID 364. Thank you for watching.